Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to the Kayak Fishing Store.
Here at the Kayak Fishing Store, we have the best selection of fishing kayaks and stand-up paddleboards in South Jersey, like the Native Watercraft, featuring the Slayer Propel, the First in Reverse, Eddie Line, featuring the C135, Best of Show at ICAST 2016, the Caribbean, Light and Fast, New Canoe Pursuit, Ellie and the Pelican Strike, paddleboards by Pelican and Palhana, featuring the Big Easy Angler, PFDs by Astral, featuring the Ronnie Fisher, Bending Branches Paddles, Sea Tug, the Ultimate Kayak Cart, mounting accessories by Yak Attack for Rigging the Dream, and rod mounts by Ram, cold water gear from Kokatat, and much more. Come visit our showroom at 501 North Ocean Drive, North Wildwood, New Jersey. Look us up on the web at www.thekayakfishingstore.com. Call us on the phone at 609-522-5969. The Kayak Fishing Store, our name says it all. We are just that, a retail entity dedicated to kayak fishing. Our goal is to support the kayak fishing community through products, information, installations, and service.